Marjan R. Giliarawan. Brian C. Hamito, Presidential Technology Awardee. Mark Vincent C. Hamito, Presidential Technology Awardee. Rodilio D. Lacorte. Jason R. Licanda. Rasen C. Limbaga. Joshua P. Narciso. Dennis D. Narciso, Presidential Academic Awardee. Kevin D. Narciso. Janmar Omoso. Maria Cheren D. Pradel. Lorbin C. Ramirez. Genre S. Rivas. Dalimar A. Rosal. Rachel D. Sidilio. Joseph Bill N.C. Christian C. Tamayo. Gio G. Tureca. Arnold O. Tulabing. Christian Ray R. Tulabing. Lucel Villata, Presidential Technology Awardee. Elgin B. Yuson. Neil John R. Zamora. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology. Maricel G. Abrasaldo. Haza Leia G. Aboso. Sarah J. C. Akap. Janelle Josue E. Alipa. Geraldine P. Amancio. Fernando L. Aviso Jr. Julius Albert L. Baca. Prince Day L. Balauro. Paul Anthony A. Barrera. Shana C. Bergabera. Nestor D. Bigtasin. John Joshua A. Billon. Robin L. Bonita. Benjo P. Pacho. Carl Joseph O. Cadalin. Seth Kaiser Q. Cadinas. Jean-Ray C. Cari. Jeremy C. Chua. Becca B. Dias. Jeffrey A. De La Cruz. Mario Joy A. Digi. Rico B. Ibero. Lester John L. Garsula, Presidential Technology Awardee. Rochelle T. Indonila, Most Proficient in Technology Skills Awardee. Junji K. Capristante. Fresh Lister R. Llanera. Cheryl R.
Ikaw ay inaalay ko sa iyo.
1 minute eh.
Anumang pagsubok ang nangyari, mananatiling nakatayo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, iniwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo.
Presidential Academic Award, Genevieve S. Calungsod. Marjorie S. Katakutan, Presidential Academic Award. Jubilin B. Gaffney, Presidential Academic Award. Shane T. De Los Reyes, Presidential Academic Award. Heidi A. Duran, Presidential Academic Award. Renaline A. Inopia, Presidential Academic Award. Shirlene Inopia, Presidential Academic Awardee. Andrea May E. Ferolino, Presidential Academic Awardee. Althea Kate M. Blava, Presidential Academic Awardee. Divine J. D. Guanzon, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Jebby A. Incal, Presidential Academic Awardee, cum laude. Shihan May C. Carasano, Presidential Academic Awardee. Kimberly R. Padusano, Presidential Academic Awardee, cum laude. Rebecca C. Lagaw, Agnes B. Lado, Presidential Academic Awardee. Jojeline A. Lastimoso. Nadine Rose V. Libradilla, Presidential Academic Awardee, cum laude. Micaela S. Llanera, Presidential Academic Awardee. Mary Jean O. Loresto, Presidential Academic Awardee. Geraldine S. Maghinay, Presidential Academic Awardee. Rena D. Malandog, Presidential Academic Awardee, cum laude. Rhea E. Manaay, Presidential Academic Awardee. Reyna S. Manila, Presidential Academic Awardee. Tiffany Matas, Presidential Academic Awardee. Hannah Grace A. Mingito. Mark Jason K. Ofyonga, Presidential Academic Awardee. Madel C. Palagfio, Presidential Academic Awardee. Sherilyn A. Pateño, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Jasmine T. Quintana, Presidential Academic Awardee. Renaline M. Redula. Crizel Q. Revelia, Presidential Academic Awardee. Nestle Vea O. Rosette, Presidential Academic Awardee, cum laude. Rina May F. Sara, Presidential Academic Awardee. Jessa T. Singit. Mirialine Tolete, Presidential Academic Awardee. Wirlen C. Tomas, Presidential Academic Awardee. Chenery O. Torres, Presidential Academic Awardee. Luceline L. Vega, Presidential Academic Awardee. Marian A. Villa, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Jory L. Villegas, Presidential Academic Awardee. Joveline R. Zurina. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Christy A. Abelia, Presidential Academic Awardee. Sharon D. Abrasaldo, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Maria Isabella O. Aklar, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Nika Jane S. Agustin, Presidential Academic Awardee, Most Outstanding Student of the Year, magna cum laude. James Francis L. Alviola, Presidential Academic Awardee. Charmaine Angel C. Badiable, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. J. D. Baldado, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Dexy B. Balonio, Presidential Academic Awardee. Rachel May G. Billiard, Presidential Academic Awardee. Abigail K. Cadilina, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Shaika S. Candido, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Merslin M. Coronado, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Leslie C. De Palas, Presidential Academic Awardee, the Nersunian Service Awardee, magna cum laude. Vanessa C. Chamante, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Fel Ryan M. Escarza, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Chucky C. Fabillar, Presidential Academic Awardee. April Joy B. Gabas, Presidential Academic Awardee. Rosemary G. Galera, Presidential Academic Awardee. Rochelle C. Gandalian, Presidential Academic Awardee. Risha Jasenia B. Guevara, Presidential Academic Awardee. Estil L. Hinco, Presidential Academic Awardee. Liza C. Lagunero, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Almera A. Lieros, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Marjorie B. Macay, Presidential Academic Awardee. Rian Mariel S. Maghanoy, Presidential Academic Awardee. Jean Christine May C. Moolo, Presidential Academic Awardee. Shanika A. Alpos, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Regina L. Palomar, Presidential Academic Awardee. Vanessa P. Palomar, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Maria Zarina Keith B. Ragay, Presidential Academic Awardee. Sheila Joyce C. Riquelme, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Antoinette G. Romero, Presidential Academic Awardee. Junaville P. Santillan, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Melody Ann S. Tabanao, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Ricky May R. Vargas, Presidential Academic Awardee. Shirley M. Villamor, Palomar, Presidential Academic Awardee. Vanessa P. Palomar, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Maria Zarina Keith B. Ragay, Presidential Academic Awardee. Sheila Joyce C. Riquelme, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Antoinette G. Romero, Presidential Academic Awardee. Junaville P. Santillan, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Melody Ann S. Tabanao, Presidential Academic Awardee, magna cum laude. Ricky May R. Vargas, Presidential Academic Awardee. Shirley M. Villamor, for which our alma mater stands. To be diligent and honest in a pursuit of our chosen vocations. To be useful citizen workers and to fulfill our responsibility to society. So help me God.
Congratulations and welcome to the organization of Norsu Vice. Norsu Vice Campus does not only thrive for academic excellence. Some have thank you. Right. Thank you all for coming today. And remember, Meta Norsu. Congratulations, Batch 2025. Shall we have our pagkayo before our recessional?
When you stare at the